By the shoreline at the break of day, pelicans rise and drift away. Waves still whisper where they used to stand. But the world has changed around the sand. They gather young beneath their wings, searching for gentler winds to bring a quiet place where life can grow, far from the harm they've come to know. So they fly to clear skies where the water feels alive, leaving behind the troubled shore to guard the ones they're living for. In their hearts a promise strong to keep their children safe from wrong. When the world becomes unkind, they seek new peace they know they'll find. Every shadow left behind tells a story of decline. People's noise and scattered waste, chasing them from sacred space. Yet love compels a brighter turn, a safer place for them.